Welcome back, folks. If you're new here, my name is Rick, and with my wife Lori, we're building a 31.5-foot diesel trawler in our backyard. This past week, the weather's gotten colder all of a sudden, so we've had to take some time off the boat project to get stuff sealed up for winter, get all the fluids out of the RV and get it ready to be put away. I put a new tarp over the center part of the boat shed, which should help with the water intrusion. Fingers crossed. If I'm lucky, really lucky, and I get a lot of work done this winter and early in the spring, this could be the last winter for this damn boat shed, and there will be nobody happier than me when we get to tear it down and haul it away to the dump. So, needless to say, I don't have any real boat projects to share with you this week. So I did a little side project thingy here, tinkering away, and if you're interested, stick with us and I'll show you what we got. This little trick I saw the other day and I thought it was pretty neat. It comes almost too late for me, as most of my fairing on the outside is done, but I'm sure all of you are familiar with the oscillating tool and the little sanding pad that goes on there. They're pretty cool, they do a good job, but this particular style is fairly limited into areas you can get into. So I saw this the other day, and everybody's got a collection of dead oscillating tool blades. Yeah, they get used up pretty quick, especially when you're working with fiberglass. Just chews them up like crazy. So I saw this trick, and I'm going to give it a shot, and we'll see what we can come up with. So I've got three different shapes, and I'm going to do something neat with these. So first ingredient is good old 3M Super 77, and it's a contact cement. So you have to spray it on and let it dry. And the next thing we're going to do is cut ourselves up some just miscellaneous bits of sandpaper, and this is Harbor Freight Fair. And we're going to give the back of those a little spray. And we'll come back in a couple of minutes when they're ready to be glued on. So we're back, and our glue has had a chance to set up. Now we need to flip it over and get the back side of the spray. So that's been enough time, and it's really easy. You just sort of stick it halfway, roll it over and stick it the other way, and you've got yourself a little sanding pad. Now you can leave them like that with the sides overhanging or trim them off, which I'll do with this one. And then I'll just load it up. Oh, can't use that one. So I'll just load it up here. Grab a little chunk of wood. Nice little corners, get you into the tight spot. Pretty cool idea. You just throw them in your toolbox and you're ready to go the next time you have to do some fine detailing. So the other thing I thought of was something like this, taking a used Bondo scraper, and we'll glue that on there and see how that works. Just give it a few minutes to set up. So I think that's been long enough. We'll just lay our scraper in there, fold it over. Got a handy dandy little sanding block. Yeah, that works alright. There you go. That's my tip for the week. Sorry I don't have anything else for you, but the weather sucks and we got to get stuff ready for winter around here. It's inevitable. It's going to come eventually. It's just a matter of when. And we're nowhere done doing what we wanted to get done this year, but when the weather permits, we'll be out here again. So thanks for looking in. We really appreciate. Thanks for looking in. We really appreciate. Thanks for looking in. We really appreciate you coming back every week to see our silly little videos on our boat project. So from Lori and I, till next time, be well and happy and safe. Cheers.